outdoor spaces that seamlessly blend style and functionality. Today, we're diving deep into the world of hard landscape lawn design inspiration. But, before that, we want to ask your support to make this channel grow. Subscribe to this channel, leave comment, hit the like button or share this video to your friends and family. The hard landscape lawn design, this is a crucial element of any outdoor space, and it's often overlooked. A well-designed hardscape can transform your yard from a simple patch of grass into an extension of your home, a place for relaxation, entertainment, and beauty. So, let's get started. Let's begin by defining what we mean by hard landscape. Essentially, it refers to the non-living elements of your outdoor space. Think of it as the architectural framework of your yard. It encompasses everything from pathways and patios to retaining walls, fire pits, and water features. Hardscape is the bones of your landscape, providing structure, functionality, and visual interest. It contrasts and complements the softscape, which includes the living elements like plants, trees, and lawn. A successful hard landscape lawn design seamlessly integrates these two aspects, creating a harmonious and balanced outdoor environment. A thoughtfully planned hardscape offers a multitude of benefits. First and foremost, it enhances the functionality of your outdoor space. Imagine creating a dedicated dining area for al fresco meals, or a paved pathway that guides you through your garden. Hardscape elements define spaces and make them more usable. Secondly, a well-designed hardscape significantly boosts curb appeal. It adds visual interest and creates a sense of order and sophistication. This, in turn, can increase your property value. Thirdly, hardscaping can be a practical solution to address specific issues in your yard. For example, retaining walls can prevent soil erosion on sloped areas, while proper drainage systems can manage excess water. Finally, a well-designed hardscape can create a low-maintenance landscape, reducing the amount of time and effort you need to spend on upkeep. How do you make a good hard landscape lawn design? Creating a successful hard landscape design requires careful planning and consideration. First, analyze your existing space. Consider the size, shape, and topography of your yard. Identify any problem areas that need to be addressed. Next, think about how you want to use your outdoor space. Do you envision it as a place for entertaining, relaxing, gardening, or a combination of these? This will help you determine the types of hardscape elements you need. Then, establish a cohesive style that complements your home's architecture. Consider the materials, colors, and textures you want to use. It's crucial to create a balanced design that integrates the hardscape with the softscape. Don't forget to factor in practical considerations like drainage, lighting, and accessibility. Finally, create a detailed plan or consult with a professional landscape designer to bring your vision to life. What are the best items for hard landscape lawn design? The best hardscape items depend on your individual needs and preferences, but some popular options include: first, patios. Perfect for outdoor dining and entertaining. Second, walkways. Guide you through your garden and connect different areas of your yard. Third, retaining walls. Prevent soil erosion and create level areas on sloped properties. Fourth, fire pits. Create a cozy gathering spot for cool evenings. Fifth, water features. Add a touch of tranquility and visual interest. Sixth, pergolas. Provide shade and create a defined outdoor space. 7th, outdoor kitchens. Extend your living space and make outdoor cooking a breeze. 8th, driveways. Enhance curb appeal and provide convenient access to your home. 9th, steps. Create easy transitions between different levels of your yard. 10th, decorative walls. Add privacy and visual interest. And to complete your inspiration and spark your creativity, hear these: the compilation of the top 10 best hard landscape lawn design ideas to inspire you for your next project. 1. Modern minimalist. Clean lines, geometric shapes, and neutral colors create a sleek and sophisticated look. 2. Rustic retreat. Natural stone, weathered wood, and native plants evoke a sense of warmth and tranquility. 3. Mediterranean oasis. Terracotta tiles, stucco walls, and lush plantings create a vibrant and inviting space. 4. English garden. Brick pathways, stone benches, and climbing roses create a romantic and charming atmosphere. 5. Contemporary courtyard. A small, enclosed space transformed into a stylish outdoor living area. 6. Family-friendly backyard. A spacious patio, a fire pit, and a play area for children. 7. Zen garden. A tranquil space with raked gravel, carefully placed rocks, and minimalist plantings. 8. Urban oasis. A rooftop garden or a small backyard transformed into a green retreat. 9. Poolside paradise. A paved patio, comfortable lounge chairs, and a refreshing pool. 10. Sustainable landscape. Eco-friendly materials, drought-tolerant plants, and water-wise irrigation systems. Creating a beautiful and functional hard landscape lawn design takes time, planning, and careful consideration. But the results are well worth the effort. By understanding the principles of hardscape design and choosing the right elements for your space, you can transform your yard into an outdoor oasis that you'll enjoy for years to come. What are your favorite hardscape elements? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to Homes Decor Designs for more home and garden inspiration, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss our future videos. Again, thank you for watching this video, hope you like it and get useful inspiration from it. Let me know what's your favorite design ideas in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel Homes Decor Designs, hit and smash the bell button so you never missed our new informative and inspiring videos in the future. Thank you and see you on the next videos.